That's what I feel. Like, it's very simple. Whatever you are interested in, whatever you read, whatever you love, whatever you want to do, whatever you have been doing, whatever you study, what are your dreams, what are your goals, what are you interested in, just talk about all of that. Somebody will find you who's interested in all of this, and then together you'll build on the community, and then you can serve that person.
I really appreciate that answer. I have a very quick follow-up question. I know you're a very busy person and you do have a team for your content creation, but I'm very curious, how do you manage your time? Because
Sure. I'll tell you my entire, like, how do I manage it, okay? Now I have a team, but till I reached 300k, I didn't have anyone. I just had one editor because I don't know how to edit it. Till that time, I was the only one doing everything. And at that time, I was not doing this full time. I was running and building a business. If I'm from Indore, then I run an FMCG company there. So,
yeah, I know.
So I was building that company, and from morning till night, I was there. At night, for once, I was just creating content and putting it out there. What I do is, earlier, I used to only make content on business and finance. So whatever I was learning throughout the day, I used to write it on my notes and then make content on that the next morning in my office itself. That was how I was creating videos. Second, I use this tool called Buffer. So every time I have some thought, let's say right now, I just had a word about like right, I was telling Unmit, right, that respect the platform if you want platform to respect you. Now that's a good tweet. I'll just go to Buffer, tweet it, like put it for the Twitter, I'll like give it a timeline that tomorrow 11 AM automatically it gets posted. So every time there's a thought, my mind farts and I'm going to put it out on Buffer. This is how I maintain consistency on Twitter. Then third, with YouTube, once in a week I sit down and think about what is that one thing which I learned the entire week, I want to put it out there. Then fourth, that is LinkedIn. I talk about how many people do I reach out to in this entire week. Let's say me and Azan, we had a conversation about collaboration and community. I'll sit down and think about, okay, collaboration community, I was talking to Azan, I'll write it down, and then next morning I'll post it on LinkedIn through Buffer as well. So everything which is happening throughout the day, at night I sit down with myself for like 10 minutes or 20 minutes, write down in that notes, prepare a video next morning and cut down those pieces and put it on Buffer to get and let Buffer do its role by uploading it on Twitter and uploading on LinkedIn and everywhere else. That is how I do it.
I had thousands of ideas and I couldn't figure out what would be the best for me. So as a creator, how can someone figure out their niche?
Your life is your niche. That's what I keep saying, everyone. What are you interested in? Let's say you're a person who wants to build his own personal brand and is trying to figure out what is your niche. Try to find out, like try to watch 10 videos, try to talk to 10 people, and whatever they tell you, then post content about that. I am this person who's trying to find out niche. I've received 10 other ideas from other people. I'm going to try it one by one and document my entire journey about it and keep writing about it. If you feel that's valuable, come follow me. We'll together try to find out the niche. So your life is your own niche. That's a content piece idea for you. That's what I feel. Like, it's very simple. Whatever you are interested in, whatever you read, whatever you love, whatever you want to do, whatever you have been doing, whatever you study, what are your dreams, what are your goals, what are you interested in, just talk about all of that. Somebody will find you who's interested in all of this, and then together you'll build on the community, and then you can serve that person.
Words won't do justice when we talk about Raj's content. I literally consume his content like a termite the moment it's up. Struggle of being underpaid, and sometimes I do it out of passion and pure learning and curiosity, honestly. But there is a zone where I get stuck, in terms of commission or monetary basis, and I try to add elements as well, like I try to improve myself better. But I don't know, like, is this the right approach, or I should be more patient? Over to you, Raj. Thanks.
First of all, Amisha, I just read that like Pani Puri over everything, so we are connecting on a very good level already. That's one. So now the second part, you rightly said, like, in terms of commissioning, monetary basis, there's one thing, right? When it comes to passion projects, when it comes to public speaking or MC or anything which has a lot to do with fame, you genuinely don't get paid for the information or the skills which you have. You get paid for the fame you hold, the personal brand you have. It's very sad. It's very sad to know that, but this is the truth. The highest paid speakers in the world are the celebrities. The highest paid speakers are the ones who have been the leaders of the powerful nations, not the ones who have worked for years to build that one skill. So you don't get paid for skill or for certain topic or for certain information which you're sharing. Most of the times you get paid for the kind of fame or the personal brand or the charm you can pull out in a crowd. That's one. So you need to really focus on your personal brand in order to get your commissions up, in order to get the monetary benefits up. That's really the model which I can suggest, because that has been working it out, right? You can see in the country there are so many times where some people who have a lot of followers and are getting paid even though they're shitty speakers, but they get paid more than anyone else which we know about, and they get paid for more than us. They get paid for lesser time than us, and that's really sad, but that's the truth. So focus on building your personal brand. Focus on building that like how can you strengthen your brand or your celebrity status or fame, because most of the time speaking, anchoring, or like, you know, writing, these jobs are often, they often pay you, or they often help you increase your income or help you increase the commission which you charge only when your project has been accepted by a lot of people. That's when it helps.